So, as many of you know, the Oracle Fusion reporting workflow can be quite painful when using the native query editor. Developers often find themselves switching back and forth between Notepad and the browser just to test, write, and fine-tune queries. It's not the most efficient process. That's exactly why an IDE purpose-built for Oracle Fusion reporting makes such a big difference. The BI Connector Developer Edition acts as your dedicated IDE for Fusion reporting. You can write, test, fine-tune queries, and extract data all from a single screen. Let me show you how it works. Connecting is very simple. All you need is the URL and your credentials, and you're ready to go. There are no limits on environments, whether it's test, development, or production. You can connect to all of them and switch as needed. Once the connection is set up, you can immediately jumpstart your reporting using pre-built queries. If I expand this section and go into Finance, you'll see there are pre-built queries available not just for Finance, but also for SCM, HCM. Let's take Finance as an example. I'll double-click a query, and it opens instantly. If I open another one, you'll notice it opens in a new tab, so you can work on multiple queries at the same time. Now let me run this query. You can see the data appears right away. If I want to increase the preview rows, say from 50 to 5,000, I can easily do that. I can export the results, run queries in the background, and even format the SQL with a single click. We also have SQL History. I can filter executions from the last 10 days, 20 days, or view all history to track previous runs. Another powerful feature is partial query execution. For example, if I write select star from GL balances, I can simply highlight this portion and run only that part of the query. That flexibility is extremely useful when testing. Now, if I want to create my own query, I just go to My Queries. Everything I create gets saved automatically. Let me create one quickly. I'll type a query and click Run. You'll notice parameterization is supported. If I use a bind parameter, it's automatically detected and generated. I just enter the value, click Apply, and the data loads immediately. If I need more space, I can collapse the side panel and expand my workspace. And if I want, I can drag the scroll bar and check the full dataset. And that's how simple and efficient Fusion reporting can be with BI Connector Developer Edition. Thank you.